The only person who can get the booming Trump economy going again is President Donald Trump. We know that for a fact. Joe Biden oversaw the slowest economic recovery since World War II when he was vice president of the United States. You know that President Trump has built a strong economic foundation with his policies, including tax cuts, opportunity zones, and giving America less business regulation to boom. We know President Trump can rebuild that economy again. We are on our way to do it. When it comes to a free, fair, and strong America, President Trump is the man to get the job done.